Today we will learn how to solve Z parameter. Z parameter also called as the impedance parameter and it is expressed in ohm. Z parameter of two-port network is expressed in V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Z parameter also known as the open circuit parameter and it is solved in open circuit condition. Now we will take one problem. Find Z parameter for the network shown. Z parameter is solved by using KVL. In this circuit there are two loops which is named as I1 and I2. Now we will write equation for the loop 1. V1 is equal to ZA into I1 plus ZC in bracket I1 plus I2. Further simplifying the equation and rearranging the terms in I1 and I2, we will get V1 is equal to ZA plus ZC into I1 plus ZC into I2. Now solving for loop 2, V2 is equal to ZB into I2 plus ZC in bracket I2 plus I1. Further simplifying the equation and rearranging the term in I1 and I2, we will get V2 is equal to ZC into I1 plus ZB plus ZC into I2. Now you can see we have got two equations which is expressed in V1 and V2. Now we will write the above equation in matrix form. Now we will write in terms of Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. So Z11 is equal to ZA plus ZC, Z12 is equal to ZC, Z21 is equal to ZC and Z22 is equal to ZB plus ZC. Now we will take another problem. Given the following circuit, determine Z parameter. In this circuit there are three loops I1, I2 and I3. Loop I2 is compulsory given on V2 side. Now solving for loop 1, V1 is equal to 8I1 plus 20 into I1 minus I3. Further simplifying the equation, we will get V1 is equal to 28 I1 minus 20 I3. Now solving loop 2, V2 is equal to 20 in bracket I2 plus I3. We will get V2 is equal to 20 I2 plus 20 I3. Now taking loop 3, 20 into I3 minus I1 plus 10 I3 plus 20 in bracket I3 plus I2 equal to 0. Now simplifying the equation, we get minus 20 I1 plus 20 I2 plus 50 I3 equal to 0. Now we had got three equations. As we know that Z parameter is expressed in term I1 and I2. Here we can see that I3 is present. So we have to take out this I3 term. So from equation 3, we can make equation of I3. Now from equation 3, making the term I3, we get I3 is equal to 2 by 5 I1 minus 2 by 5 I2. Now putting the value of I3 in equation 1 and 2, we get V1 is equal to 20 I1 plus 8 I2, V2 is equal to 8 I1 plus 12 I2. Now in term V1 and V2, we get Z11 is equal to 20 ohm, Z12 is equal to 8 ohm, Z21 is equal to 8 ohm and Z22 is equal to 12 ohm.